In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find support and resistance in Exness. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark key price levels on your chart so you can read the market more confidently and understand where buyers and sellers have reacted before. First, open the Exness web trading platform. Once you're on the trading interface, make sure your chart is visible in the main window. If this is your first time on the platform, give the page a moment to load your default chart layout. You don't need to change anything yet, we just want a clear view of price so we can add the levels in the right places. Next, choose the instrument you want to analyze. Click the plus icon to add a symbol to your watch list. Then either type the name into the search bar or select it from the categories shown. When you find the market you want, whether it's a currency pair, an index, or a commodity, click it to load the chart. If the chart time frame isn't ideal, you can adjust it later. For now, keep your focus on getting the correct symbol open. On the left side of the chart, open the drawing tools by selecting lines. This reveals several line styles you can use to mark your chart. For support and resistance work, choose the horizontal line. A horizontal line is best because it keeps the level perfectly flat across all price bars, making it easy to see where price has reacted before without any slope or angle. After selecting the horizontal line, move your cursor over the chart and click to place it. You can drag the line up or down to position it precisely at a key area. Aim to place your first line where you see multiple touches, places where price approached the same level and turned away. For support, look for recent swing lows where declines paused and bounced. For resistance, look for swing highs where rallies stalled and reversed. Zoom out a bit to check that the level has mattered more than once. Consistent reactions add credibility. If needed, zoom back in and fine-tune the line by dragging it so it aligns closely with the most significant reactions. Here's what you're marking. Support is a price level where the market tends to stop falling and bounce up. Resistance is a price level where the market tends to stop rising and move down. Treat these as zones rather than single exact prices. Wicks and closes might not align perfectly. On higher time frames, levels often carry more weight, and on lower time frames, you'll see more detail. As price approaches your line, watch how it behaves. Strong reactions confirm the level's relevance. That's how you find support and resistance in Exness with clarity and confidence.